In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change controls in Fortnite Festival. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to make sure that you are in the festival main stage, and you're going to go up here onto your settings, and then click on the key up here. As you can see, there is now keybinds that you can change for easy, medium, hard, and then also if you want to play it an expert. To change the keybinds, all you have to do is click, and you can press whatever key you want it to be. So for example, T. And then once you're done changing all of the keybinds, you just click on apply, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.